Hello nursery. Today I'm going to show you how you can make something called a teepee. A teepee is a bit like a tent. A long time ago, people called Native Americans used to travel across the land and they would put up their teepees to sleep inside at night. The teepee that we're going to make today is only a little one. Here's a picture of a real teepee. Can you see the sticks poking out the top? And look at the colourful patterns on the material. To make a teepee at home, you need scissors, crayons, glue, paper and some sticks. I found these ones in my garden, but you could have a look in the park as well. First, we need to very carefully use our scissors to cut a small strip off the long side of the paper. You might want to ask a grown-up to help you do this bit. Then carefully fold the top two corners down like this to make two little triangles. We're going to cut these triangles off to make our shape. Now we've got the right shape. It's time to do some colouring in. You can do whatever colour or pattern that you like. I'm choosing squares, triangles, circles and stars. Next we're going to fold the two top bits around to make a cone shape like this. They just need to be joined at the back. So we're going to use our glue to stick the two sides together. Fold them round and press them together with your fingers. And now we've made a cone shape which looks like a teepee already. There should be a little hole at the top. To make the doorway into the teepee, we're going to cut a little line like this and then fold the edges back. Now you can get your sticks and push your sticks into the top of the teepee. Look at that, it looks just like the teepee at the beginning of the video. Now it's your turn. Have a go at making a teepee at home. And don't forget to upload a picture to Xat.